Now at this point you can convert the cloth operator into something that is a little bit more manageable or artist friendly. The cache takes a long time to build, and so once you actually have one, you really want to bake this down into a series of keyframes that you can manipulate. So we can do that by starting from our first frame all the way till the end by plotting out the geometry of the character by writing a geometry cache. The geometry cache can be written in a wide variety of formats. We could also plot a series of shapes as well if we wanted to do some deformation on top of this. I'm going to actually write the geometry cache on this object, and it takes the token name, the object name, the take one, and the frame, so whatever frame I'm currently at. So this will be called clothing geo take one frame one. The path will go into the project path / simulation and then into a model object folder. So it's really highly organized if you have multiple objects and multiple caches. So the ICE format cache that I can, or the format that I can work with, is the PC2 format or ICE cache format. So ICE cache is internal to ICE and can be read and written from and read to. The PC2 format is something that can be exchanged with other programs like Maya. Point Oven, the other point baker available to us in XSI, can also work with the PC2 format. You can also write your own custom point cache as well. So I'm going to write into the ICE cache format for now, and just cache. I mean, we set our start and end frame. If we have overriding files, we exist them. All pretty self-explanatory. And the other thing when you're caching is whether or not you want to cache other attributes, and these attributes can again be used in the ICE tree or in the render tree as rendering or as simulation tools. So all I really need in this case is the point position, and that would be it. Back to my general tab, I'll create a cache, and so it caches all of the frames to a file, much like we did with the Syflex cache. And if we want to use that cache now, we can load it into the mixer. If I open up my training project and I have a look in the simulation folder, here's the name of my model, name of the object, and I have a series of ICE cache files 0 to 400. You see how small they are as well, so they're nice and portable.